If your streaming setup feels slow, confusing, or just not worth it, you're not alone. And today, we're fixing something extremely frustrating. Your apps keep crashing. You open them, they freeze. They close. Or they just don't work. And most people think the app is broken, but that's not the real issue. In most cases, the problem is your device. If your device doesn't have enough power, it struggles. And when it struggles, apps crash. Another big issue, storage. Too many apps. Too much cache. Not enough space. That creates instability. And then there's updates. If your apps are outdated, they stop working properly. So what should you do? Clear unused apps. Free up space. Update your system. And make sure your device is capable. Because when your setup is right, apps don't crash. They just work. If this helped you, follow at MyForeverGem. And subscribe here, right finger https://www.youtube.com/@MyForeverGem for more simple, intuitive, and relatable videos. And one day, you'll be able to say, you were here from the beginning.